Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will guide you through how to view sent follow request lists on Instagram. As you know, Instagram does not provide a direct way to view a list of sent follow requests. However, we can give you some few solutions to do that. So first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile picture or username in the bottom right corner to navigate to your profile page. Then click on the three horizontal dashboard on the top right corner. Then simply scroll down and click on your activity. After that, scroll down again, and at the last you will see download your information. Click on it. Then tap on the download or transfer information. After that, two options will appear on your screen. Click on some of your information, then scroll down and click on followers and following. Click on it and press on next. Then click on download to device and click on next. So it downloads the information to your device. Now you will have to update your email there so that they will send you email to download the information. You can even select date range from which time you want to check the follow request from, as I've clicked on last year, and save it. Then click on notify and add new email there, as I've added mine. Now click on create files. It is downloading. After you complete this process, an email verification will be sent on the email you updated. Go to Gmail and check it. Now let's go to the Gmail, and there you will see email from Instagram, and there will be the option of downloaded information page. Please don't download it from here. You will have to go back to the Instagram to download it again. Now click on the dashboard again and go to your activity. Then scroll down and click on download your information. There you will get to see the option download. Now download the files. In order to download, you will have to enter your password for the security purposes. After you enter the password, the file will be downloaded in your files, and you can check whether you have sent follow request to anyone or not. The list will be appeared there, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe if it was helpful. Keep watching.